Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for checking your girl out. Today I've teamed up with Zlike. They sent over this gorgeous water wave 360 lace wig. She has a really nice invisible strap in the back, transparent lace. She's 20 inches in length and 180% density. I'll have her linked in the description box. And of course, I'm gonna be doing a straight out of the box, super easy and beginner friendly install for you guys. I did opt for a little baby hair action, nothing too crazy. Of course, you can modify everything that I do in the video to your liking and taste. Also, you'll see in the video, I'm gonna put it up into a nice little top knot bun so you guys can see that 360 design. I'm gonna jump into the video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, let's get right into it. Here's the packaging as well as the wig straight out of the box. If I have not mentioned, we are going for a water wave invisible strap breathable 360 lace frontal wig. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. This one has the knots already bleached as well as some preset baby hair. I went ahead and cut off all the excess lace around the back. Here is a look at that 360 technology. You guys can see here the beautiful invisible strap, and here is a quick demonstration of how you can pull and adjust the wig as tight as you want it to go. There is a little bit of a stopper right there to keep the wig in place, and the wig will still be nice and stretchy and movable. Here is what the wig looks like on. A close-up of the hairline shows that nice baby hair as well as the pre-plucked and pre-bleached hairline. Here is what the wig looks like set as a center part, as well as a look at what we can expect from a side part. Now, because this is a free part up front, you can definitely do whatever style up front you want. Also, here's a look at what the wig looks like from the back. So now that you got pretty much a rundown on everything and all the scope on this wig, let's go ahead and pull her back and begin the install process. So as I mentioned, I did cut off the lace in the back. We are now cutting off all the excess lace in the front. I'm also going to lay my edges backwards with some little edge control. That way everything can be nice and flat and smooth and my hairline is protected. From there, I did pull the wig back and we're going to apply a non-glue adhesive and begin to bond the wig down. Now this is still technically considered a glueless install because I'm not using a glue. This is literally a hairspray and I'm just drying it along the hairline. It's going to give a very flawless and melted look while also being able to take my wig off at night and not leaving that residue or breaking or damaging my hair. Now that we have that on, I went ahead and added the Zlike melt belt and we're going to go ahead and style the ends while that melt belt does its job and melts that lace. So the mousse we used today was from Can 2 and I did go ahead and speed through that process. And then from there we can move the melt belt and you guys can see how effortless and flawless the hairline looks without even touching it. Like I honestly would wear it like this. I'm going to do a little bit more to it, but you guys can see the hairline and the lace is so nice that if you just wanted to keep it like that, you low-key could. Now today I did opt for baby hair, so I did go ahead and section out what I wanted to use, pull it forward, trim it shorter, and then swoop it with a little edge control. You can for sure do whatever type or style of baby hair you like. You can even do no baby hair if that is your choice, and maybe even you can do some later. Again, this was just my choice, and the great thing about wigs is I can switch it up on another day if I choose to. Now I'm going in with the electric hot comb on a very high heat setting and just going in to tame everything down. This step here is going to make the magic. It is going to make everything look really, really good, really, really flawless, cancel out any frizz, and make everything super smooth. I did go back in and put the melt belt back on so that baby hair and that hairline can continue to set. And in the meantime, I did go in with a diffuser just to kind of give me some height and volume and also to just simply dry the hair quicker. And I love the way this came out. This length on me is so nice. Here is a close-up of the hairline and what the hair looks like when we're almost finished. I love how full and fluffy the layers are. Definitely a beautiful, flawless girl next door look. And for the final step, we can go in and tint the lace. For the parting, I did use Maybelline and then I did use Ruby Kisses along the hairline. Now, I will say that you can definitely go in and adjust your lace tint to your liking, but voila, this was the final result. Okay, so technically in real time I am done with this look, but I almost forgot to show you guys one of the most important things, which is the invisible strap. So I'm gonna just see if I have a handy dandy scrunchie lying around. I'm gonna hand that or put it around my wrist. We're gonna drive the hair up and we're gonna do a ponytail or maybe a bun up. Now don't be alarmed, as you drive the hair up, the wig will lift and we are going to push her back down. So let's see what we can come up with. As I promised, always, I am not an expert at this, so just the process, shorty. Okay, so this is the final result. You guys seen it was simple and easy to put it up in a high ponytail, pull some hair down and cover the back, and this was the finished result. Baby hair always makes it a little bit better and a little bit more flawless and camouflage, and voila, 2 looks in 1 video. As I mentioned, this one is from Zlike, and this is the packaging. Pink and gold always is going to be a thing. And it just says, "Zeal for style like never before," right here. Super cute. And inside of your box, you do get some goodies. So I'm going to sit this here so it doesn't fall. But you get your dust bag, which is a nice blushy kind of pink, if you will, with the Zlike logo. You also get this mesh bag inside. Got a pack of HD wig caps, a purple baby hair brush. So these are really cute. If you guys don't know, the crocodile clips, dolphin clips, alligator clips, whatever you call them, I live for these. These are perfect for when I install my wigs or just even when I push them up, because sometimes when you use a cute fancy like butterfly clips, they don't hold your hair or all of your hair a lot of times. These always do it for me no matter what. And I don't have a pair of pink in this color, so of course I'm gonna put these right here because I love fun colors with those. And this is new and really nice and useful. They gave me a foundation brush, so this is nice and it's kind of chunky. Then of course we got one of these really cute and trendy bows. I love the oversized bow. Like if you want to do a half up, half down with this wig, you can pin it back, and then when you pin it back into a ponytail, you can do the bow at the end, and I think that is super cute. And then of course Zlike has the custom tissue paper and stickers, which oh, you know. So this one is a 360 water wave wig in the length 20 inches. Is of course a natural color. The lace is transparent and it is 180% density. Of course, any additional details on this wig, I'll have it listed in the description box, including a direct link. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check her out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.